Local law enforcement looking to crack down on DUIs, and not just by setting up checkpoints on the road.
No, they want to be able to give you a blood test if you turn down the breathalyzer. Fox 35's Jennifer Bisrom is live at a DUI mobile command center in Orlando right now, and she's got more on that. Hey, Jennifer.
Hey there, guys. Now, we're here at the Orange County Command Center, where folks that get arrested tonight, they'll be brought here, they'll be processed, and they'll be processed before being taken to jail. Now, why they're doing this tonight, why the big push? Well, as you can imagine, a Memorial Day weekend, a high drinking and driving time. Also, Orange County #1 in the entire state for DUI fatalities.
If a person refused, obviously they took away what was probably the most powerful piece of evidence that the prosecution and law enforcement would have.
Defense attorney Richard Hornsby is talking breathalyzer tests and now forcible blood tests.
Once you start lowering it, you know, there really is no standard.
Before, if you refused the breathalyzer test and were involved in a serious accident, you had to take a blood test. But now, police can force you to take a blood test if you refuse the breathalyzer if you've been arrested more than once for driving under the influence. All according to an appeals court ruling in Brevard County today.
The appellate court drew a line and they said it is constitutionally permissible to do a forced blood extraction under a warrant for a person that's looking at felony DUI because of prior convictions.
But Hornsby says blood and breathalyzer results aren't needed to convict someone for driving over the legal alcohol limit.
The government has no business sticking needles into people's bodies. Law enforcement wants any evidence that they can get, and they want any tool that'll be available to them, no matter how much it infringes or how close a call it makes to our constitutional rights.
We did talk with local law enforcement today. They didn't want to comment, but had a whole lot to say about cracking down on drunk drivers this Memorial Day weekend.
No matter how they feel about themselves, when they drink or take drugs or do both and they get out and drive, they are killers, potential killers. And we want to get them off the road before they kill somebody, including themselves.
Now, Orange County will not be doing forcible blood tests tonight, but they will have more than 60 patrol officers on the road. Guys?
Jennifer, let me ask, you're in Orange right now, so is it just Orange County Sheriff's Office that's heading this up tonight?
No, actually, it's more than a dozen, officers from more than a dozen police departments around the area that will be part of this operation, including Florida Highway Patrol.
Okay, folks should be forewarned. Jennifer, thank you.